on a Yamaha Road Star. They are available on eBay. As you see, this one is around $175. Mine came in at $26 to build it myself. There's a lot of tools you can use: drill bits, taps, micrometers. There are other options, tape measures and different bolts instead of tapping. Whatever you have can work. You just have to come up with your method. This worked good for me. Been able to find center. I just took the old bracket, found the different sizes that I needed, got the right tap, the right drill bits, put them in the same spot, and they bolt right in like that factory rear seat did. It wasn't too hard to drill it as long as you get good bits, use good oil. This is 1/8 inch plate. It's a little bit overkill from what I actually needed, but I had access to a big brake, and a little bit of overkill never hurt anyone. It's a little bit safer. Finally got it built up. Now it was time to get it all sized up, get it level, get it sitting where I wanted to use. Now I put it over and had to cut out and grind it, shape it a little bit better. One of my students, Stephens, helped grind it, and he sat there and dressed it all up, gave it its curves. It looks pretty good. So once the bracket was all fit up, I was able to put it on, weld it, and send it into paint. Two more of my students, Brock and Ibarra, wanted to shoot it, so they threw some primer, some black, and some clear on it. Got it looking with the factory color. Looks pretty good on the bike. It fits real good, easy on and off, and I'm hoping to do some more projects on this bike as I go. Thanks for watching.